Step into winter wonderlands with confidence with our premium snowshoes. Crafted for durability and performance, our snowshoes provide traction and stability on snowy terrain, ensuring you can explore with ease. Embrace the beauty of winter and conquer new adventures with our reliable snowshoes. There are many products available to choose snowshoes, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best snowshoes from reputable brands. After much study, I discovered these products are a lot helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Peng Snowshoes for Men/Women. Crafted from premium upgraded aluminum alloy, these snowshoes boast unparalleled strength and durability, ideal for tackling the most extreme cold weather conditions with confidence. The robust frame and claws ensure reliability and stability on any icy terrain. Don't worry. No more about scratches on your gear. Our innovative crampon protector shields your belongings from the sharp aluminum claws during transportation, guaranteeing both your safety and the longevity of your equipment. Experience enhanced traction and security with our improved crampons. Precision engineered from high-quality aluminum, these sharp spikes deliver exceptional grip on snowfields and ice, minimizing the risk of slips and falls, and keeping you safe throughout your adventure. Tailor your trekking experience to your preferences with ease. The adjustable trekking poles feature telescopic functionality, allowing you to effortlessly adjust their height from 25 to 53 inches, ensuring optimal comfort and performance for every user. Unbox the Ultimate Winter Adventure Package. Each set includes a pair of snowshoes, accompanied by a set of snowshoeing poles, claw protectors, and a convenient carrying bag, equipping you with everything you need for your next snowy escapade. Number 2. Odoland 4-in-1 Snowshoes for Men/Women. Embark on your winter adventures with confidence using Odoland's ultimate snowshoes, crafted to perfection for both men and women. Constructed from lightweight, high-quality materials, this set ensures ease of use, and comes complete with a convenient carrying bag, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts of all levels. With 3 size options available: 21 for 80 to 120 pounds, 28 to 54 kilograms, 25 for 120 to 160 pounds, 54 to 72 kilograms, and 30 for 160 to 250 pounds, 72 to 114 kilograms. There's a perfect fit for everyone. Experience unmatched comfort and convenience with our lightweight and easy to put on snowshoes. The ergonomic design, coupled with a strong aluminum frame, guarantees a comfortable and effortless walking experience, allowing you to traverse snowy landscapes with ease. Maximize your traction and stability with our innovative sawtooth design. Each shoe features 2 sets of reinforced, heavy-duty saw teeth, providing superior grip on icy and hard surfaces, while the large flat surface area of the aluminum frame ensures maximum flotation in deep snow. Stay prepared for any terrain with our adjustable trekking poles, easily customizable from 25.5 to 54 inches. Whether you're wearing gloves or trekking in wet conditions, adjusting the height is a breeze, ensuring optimal comfort and performance on every adventure. Complete your winter gear arsenal with our waterproof leg gaiters, crafted from durable pongy fabric for excellent water, tear, and puncture resistance. Number 3. Ambio Lightweight Snowshoes for Men/Women. Unleash your winter adventures with confidence, equipped with our range of snowshoes tailored to fit every explorer. With various sizes and weight capacities to choose from, including 14 inches for 70 pounds, 31 kilograms, 21 inches for 150 pounds, 70 kilograms, 25 inches for 200 pounds, 91 kilograms, and 30 inches for 250 pounds, 126 kilograms. There's a perfect match for every adventurer. Experience ultimate comfort and ease with our lightweight snowshoes, meticulously crafted from durable aluminum frames. Their ergonomic design ensures a comfortable and effortless walking experience, while the upgraded double ratcheting bindings effortlessly adjust to accommodate your footwear. With a 1-buckle tightening mechanism and TPE heel strap, you'll enjoy efficient support throughout your journey. Conquer any terrain with our fully adjustable snowshoes featuring double ratcheting bindings that easily adapt to most footwear for a secure fit, maximizing efficiency during outdoor treks. Number 4. Carry-in Snowshoes for Adults Men/Women. Conquer the winter wonderland with our range of meticulously designed snowshoes, tailored to match every adventurer's needs. With optimized weight ranges across various sizes, including 14 inches for 70 pounds, 31 kilograms, 21 inches for 70-150 pounds 3168 kilograms, 25 inches for 120-200 pounds 5490 kilograms, and 30 inches for 180-250 pounds 81-114 kilograms. You'll find the perfect fit for your snowy escapades. Experience ultimate comfort and efficiency with our fully adjustable snowshoes featuring double ratcheting bindings that effortlessly adapt to most footwear, ensuring a secure fit for maximum performance on outdoor treks. The one-buckle tightening mechanism, combined with a TPE heel strap, provides reliable support with every step. Crafted from lightweight and durable aluminum frames, our snowshoes boast an ergonomic design for a comfortable and easy walk. The upgraded double ratcheting bindings easily adjust to your footwear, while the TPE heel strap ensures efficient support throughout your journey. Number 5. G2 GO2 Jeter Snowshoes for Men/Women. Crafted for optimal performance in winter conditions, the Drifter snowshoe features durable polyethylene (HDPE) decks providing maximum support on the snow for confident exploration during all your snowshoeing excursions. Effortlessly secure your footing with the double ratchet binding system, designed for fast and secure strapping in and out while on the trail, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Experience lightweight durability with 6061 T6 alloy frames coupled with tough polyethylene decks, offering superior support on the snow, while keeping your steps light and controlled for enhanced maneuverability. Enjoy enhanced traction and stability on steep terrain, with the heel lifters and full floating pivot system, reducing fatigue and increasing traction, for a more enjoyable and comfortable exploration experience. Included with the Drifter snowshoes is a mesh vented carrying bag perfect for storing your snowshoes during the summer months. Available in sizes 21 for 80 to 120 pounds, 25 for 110 to 160 pounds, and 30 for 160 to 210 pounds. There's a perfect fit for every adventurer. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want greater information or in case you need to realize product price, do check out my description. For any type of hassle, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.